Hello everybody, welcome back over here. Today's video it's about how you can buy Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go step by step. Gonna first use paxful, and we're gonna use Binance, and we're going on tour to use robosats as well, right? So let's go very quick. We have paxful over here, especially if you're in places where it's not easy to have a bank account and you want to get some Bitcoin. Well, you could use your um, basically Western Union in your area. In your area, you could use PayPal. Okay, so for example, you go there and then you have let's see, you have PayPal, right? So you say you select PayPal. Well, first you have to log in, right? You have to open an account, and then you could use your PayPal. So you enter how much you want to buy, say $50, and then you find the order, right? So and then you're gonna see who is available in the area, who is available to sell you with PayPal, right? So you just go there, and then you're gonna see so many merchants available to sell with PayPal, right? So and there are so many other ways you could there are e-transfer, bank transfer, right? Interact, email. So very um, interesting. So um, very straightforward. You just go there and then you see like whichever um the weight you want to get it to, right? So it's really up to you which one is best for you, right? So that's for paxful. And let's also let's check. Let me show you also what you can do in on paxful if you want to get some Bitcoin in physically, right? So you go down and you go on cash payment, click on it, and then you're gonna find where you could go physically go buy your Bitcoin. And then you just put first of all you're gonna put the location, right? So let's say um, you in United States, uh, and then you just click on the location, or maybe you are in somewhere like um, Australia. Right, so you just put the location, and then it's gonna find you where you can go and buy. There's MoneyGram, uh, RIA money transfer. You have Express Money Service, right? And then you have MoneyGram. So many places you could go and just go buy, right? So that's that. Let's check on Binance. Well, when you get login in Binance, first thing you simply go and buy crypto, right? Um, so it's gonna send you there. You're gonna show you this selection. You can check for bank deposit, right? Basically, that's when you make a Swift transfer, right? So you just take it from your bank account, send it over there. You could use the option of credit card. That's if you have a credit card, you could use uh, peer-to-peer trading, El Salvador bank payment. If you're in El Salvador, um, those are, and you have Simplex also, which is another third-party payment provider that really you go to your bank account and then just take the money from your debit. So that's more like if you have a bank account, right? That's more like Binance. So and then yeah, so you could just go there, or you could just go use your credit card or debit card, and then just go there and then make the payment, and boom, that's it. So really simple. Um, and yeah, you just say how much. For example, you want to buy, say say 50 bucks. It's gonna give you how much? This is gonna be about 300,000 sats. 300,000 sats, and it's gonna go down, and then just proceed, and boom, your Bitcoin gonna be there. And then let's say if you wanna, and then I don't recommend to leave it on exchanges, and you wanna withdraw. So what do? You go on, you basically, you go down on your wallet, and once you finish, uh, you go down on your wallet, and then it's gonna show you basically for what you get there, and then it's just gonna say you have this, right? So whatever, this is the amount over there that I got, but just wanna hide this. So and then you go on withdraw, right? So you go click on withdraw over there, and then you say this is a Bitcoin, and then you put the address of the Bitcoin network, right? So that's Bitcoin, and then you're gonna have to put the network, which network you have to make sure you remember. So this is a Bitcoin network. You're gonna send it to a Bitcoin address. If it is a Binance, Binance Smart Chain, you have to send it to Binance Smart Chain. If so you have to be specific. So and then you paste the Bitcoin address there. Again, the Bitcoin network, BTC, and then once you do that, it's gonna tell you the minimum you can withdraw, and then you see the fee, the transaction fee, and then you proceed. You send it, you take it out of your the exchange, never leave it on exchange. Reminder. So and then boom, that's it, you're done. And the other way you could buy Bitcoin is using robosats. So robosat is very amazing. Um, you may pay a little bit more in a premium, but I'm gonna show you. So you go there on robosats, you go click on quick start. You need Tor. I'm running Tor right now for that. So and then you go access robosats. She's gonna give you the link, the URL where you could go and access it. Now this is the URL over here. This is for Onion. Again, you need Tor for robosats, and then so it's gonna go there. It's gonna basically check. It's gonna give me a robot, and then it's gonna give me a token. Basically, token is more like a code, just for my specific transaction. So I have this. I'm gonna take this and copy it, paste it, just in case the computer go down doing my transaction, so I can go back and find it back. All right. So boom, you got this is the marketplace. You have the offers, right? Just click on offers. You will see all the offers. There's about 30 offers. So if you want to buy, you click on buy, and you see what you can currency you can use, and then you see what the payment processor you can use. You can use PayPal, Wise, you have Instant, SEPA, and then currency can be like whatever the currency you want to use, right? Yeah, you could use also Wise, you could use Zelle, you could use Strike, and you could use Cash App, right? So all of those are great. You could use them. Which one works best for you? So this is if you want to buy, and then this is if you want to sell. You can do so as well, right? So there's about 19 people who want to sell, and there's also Interact. You could use Interact, e-transfer. You can use LBTC, We could use also SPEI, which is from Mexico. So, and also there's about like 11 people want to buy. So yeah, and to just for a try, and let's say you want to use one of those payment processors, right? And then you want to buy some Bitcoin using US dollar, and then you go there, you click on this seller want to buy, and then they're gonna give you this. You're gonna see this. You're gonna see how much you're gonna buy for. You're gonna put that one. They say about 200 to 850. So you put, let's say, 200. Right? So, and then you go take order, and then you copy your token, and done, and take order. So once you take your order, and it's gonna give you a lightning address. So this is basically like a bond. You have to send some money into this contract. It's like a smart contract, and the code can just hold this bond over there. So it's gonna lock it, and then once it lock it, and as soon as this is just for you not to be misbehave, right? This is just not to be misbehave. Once you do that, and then as soon as you send the money, right? As soon as you send the 200 USD to the person using one of those payment providers, and then the person will say to the robosats that to the other robot that they receive it, and then your robot will go there and say okay, because they receive it, and they will unlock your bond. This 34,554 sats will be unlocked to your wallet. That means it's gonna go back to your wallet, and then they're gonna send you the exact amount of the equivalent of 2,200 USD of sats to your Lightning wallet. So this is basically how it works, and it's pretty much the same thing if you want to sell. Very straightforward, very amazing, a very amazing decentralized exchange built on Lightning network. So very amazing. So anyways, this is basically how you can buy Bitcoin in 2022 to 2023 and beyond. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. This was Spike Over. Please like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to support the channel. There's a Lightning invoice below you could use to stream me some sats if based on the value you find in this. And I will see you again in the next video. So it's Spike Over.